All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, 6-in-1 miners, all kinds of good things. Today we're talking about Terra Luna. Yep, there's a new chain, there's a new coin. The old one, you want to get out of it if you have it. We're going to go over to their website, go over to their new website, check it out. Also, we're going to talk about BUSD crop yield farmers. Just got into it yesterday. We're going to cover that for a little bit at the end. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and you know it, one day even get into some cryptocurrency. Also, launched our sports channel yesterday, Frank's Sports Corner. At the bottom of this will be a link that you can go to, subscribe to the sports channel if you're into sports. Remember, Tom Brady's getting into something, it's cryptocurrency. Odell Beckham got paid his last year's salary in Bitcoin. So there's a lot of NFL players and professional players that are into cryptocurrency. So if you're into sports, I'm a fanatic. I got another channel, Frank's Sports Corner. All right, let's head over to the new Terra Luna. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Terra Luna is down 28%. That's right, because the coin is on another, you'll see what I'm talking about. And for the last 7 days, it's down 11%. Let's go ahead and click it. Terra Luna up here at the top says you need to click to go to V2. This is not the Terra Luna you'll be doing. I actually sold my coins because nobody's going to be using this. I got in for $100. I actually sold about $110 to get out of it today because it's down 29%. And it's going to be going down, down, down. So all of you that got Terra Luna, at this 0.00093 cents or whatever, 4 zeros and 93, run, get out. All right, take a look. In the last day, it's down, 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 down. It's going to go down. And look at in the last 7 days, it went up like a rocket and it came back down like a rocket. All right, let's go ahead and check out their Twitter account. Right here, Terra Luna, powered by Luna. Terra 2.0 is here. Did you hear that? 2.0 is here. Block 1 of brand new Terra Luna blockchain, Phoenix, has officially been produced at 6 a.m. on the 28th. Congratulations to the Lunatics community on this feat and collaboration. So basically, look over here, going back here, you see all these zeros right at the top here. The original Terra chain has been rebranded to Terra Classic. Click here for Terra V2. Look, I click it. Look at this, it's at $5.99. That's way better than 4 zeros and a 92. So again, clicking it again, it's down 68%. So taking a look at this, looking over when it launched and stuff, it went up to $19 and stuff like that. But again, $5.19 is actually above 4 zeros. So do you see that? This is the new Terra Luna, $6.20. The ranking is 2809 on CoinMarketCap. 2809. Here, I'll blow that up so you guys can see it. 2809. See that? 2809. But if I go back to the other Terra Luna, the ranking's 214. Don't do the 214. That one is not going to be used anymore. Click right here again, and you'll see the one that's at $6.20. Actually went up since I just started this, which is fantastic. Going over to their website, Terra 2.0 is here. Get started with Terra Station. Fueled by passionate communities and deep developer pool, the new Terra Luna blockchain is one of the most decentralized chains ever launched. Now, let's not go crazy here. We just watched you get hacked and stuff like that. But the good news is they are making improvements here. So, and a lunatic community, they're happy about this. Build on Terra, join the community, the vibrant smart contract platforms. A lot of this is from his old website, which is fine. Join a diverse, rapid-growing ecosystem with projects across DeFi, Web3, and NFTs. Learn about Terra. Discover how Terra works and how you can interact with the ecosystem. You can click right here, build on Terra. So if you click right here and to see how it works, it's going to tell you, what is Luna, what is Terra, the new Terra. Look at this. Let's read the new Terra. On May 25th, 2020, Terra Classic users passed Governance Proposal 1623, which outlined the genesis of the new Terra chain. The proposal also describes the genesis distribution of Luna, which be airdropped to the users of Terra Classic chain based on the pre-depegged and post-depegged snapshot. Users can find their airdrop Lunas by viewing the same wallet address present during the either snapshot and switching the Terra Station network. On May 27th, the Phoenix-1 Terra mainstream launch in a new era to develop the Terra community. Luna airdrop distributions at Genesis. Luna will be supplying of 1 billion tokens allocated across the following distribution. Community pools, 30%, controlled by staked and governments, 10% earmarked for developers, prepaid Luna holders, airdrop 35%. So everything you need to know is going to be right here on the Learn More About Terra. You click right here. Build on Terra, join the community, join the crypto, more vibrant community, the lunatics and shape of the future of Terra. Create a wallet, download the Terra Station, and start staking Luna to earn rewards. I like that Terra is trying to make a bounce back. The one that's got the 4 zeros, that's not the one they're going to be using. Go to the website, click it at the top, go over to the one that's around, the one I was just showing you that's like $6.20. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'm going to do a price prediction. I don't think so because it's bouncing back and they're doing it, but let's go over to BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. Over here at BUSD Crop Yield Farmers, everything is live. Look at that. I deposited $269. I put $200 in Plan 1. What is Plan 1? Well, Plan 1 is a 200-day program. You get 2% a day, 400% ROI. You have to put a minimum of 30 BUSD in and no more than 6,000 BUSD. And then Plan 1 I put the other $69 into this. This is only a 40-day lockup. Now, you don't get your initial back. You only get your rewards. So whatever you put in, you don't get back. You get your rewards that it kicks off. It earns 3.5% a day, 140 ROI. Minimum 60 BUSD. I put 69 in. 12,000 is the maximum. I have 2 contracts right here that I did. I did a Plan 1 at a 2%. There's my 200 BUSD. And I put $69 in Plan 2. And what is it making me? Well, look at this. It's already making me $5.68 a day. I got 2 hours and 45 minutes till I can withdraw this. And then there's a cutoff of 1 day and 2 hours if I don't interact with the program. I'm approved for a spend limit of $5,000, which is fantastic. But again, I'm going to be making $5 a day. Let's go ahead and just throw this $5 in here. $5 times 200 days. I put $269 in. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to be doing okay. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. I may actually put 1,000 or 2,000 or 4,000 in this thing. I just threw a little bit in. Just like they say, only invest what you're willing to lose. So don't go crazy. Do your own homework. But again, this is a BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. And I really like it. And why do I like it? I like it because the BUSD Crop Farmers. Look at, there's $1 million in this contract I just claimed today. I put $250 in this little bad boy, and I've already got $533 back. I got 4 referrals. Thank you for the referrals, everybody. I just did this, look at 3 hours ago, and I got a compound of 0. So I claimed 90 right here. I had 0 in my wallet. I claimed $94 today of BUSD. So this little bad boy put $250 in. I should have put $2,500 in, but again, do your own homework, just educational here. But I've already doubled my money, which is fantastic. So this right here is the reason why I'm also liking the BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. So those are 2 projects that I feel comfortable with, the BUSD Crop Farmers, BUSD Crop Yield Farmers. I'll link them in the bottom, check it out and stuff like that. Just got to figure out ways to make money in this bloody market of the crypto going down. It's kind of funny, this whole freaking year, crypto is down. It's already June in a day or 2, and this whole year it's been crypto going down. I mean, Avalanche was at $80 at one time. Now Avalanche is at $22. That could be another ding, ding, ding. If you think Avalanche is even going to go up to $40 and it's at 22, you may want to check that out. I can't believe Avalanche has been slaughtered. It's lost 3/4 of its weight. But again, this is crypto. Wild, wild west. So the thing about BUSD, it's pegged to $1. I don't have to worry about one day Avalanche is $80 and the next minute it's freaking $22. I don't have to worry about that. All right, everybody, let's head back over to Terra Luna. And again, back over here at the website for Terra. Just talking about what's going on with it. Check it out. Go to their Twitter page. They're all happy. They got the 2.0, which is fantastic. Again, there's right here at $5.41. Not going to do a price prediction because it was at $16, $19, and it's came back down. I just like that it's in the dollars. It's actually worth dollars. It's not worth, ready? Hold it, hold it. It's not worth 4 zeros and a 93.36. So again, really appreciate Luna trying to rebounce back. Will this new coin ever get to $100? Nobody knows. I mean, will Bitcoin ever get back to the level it was at? Nobody knows. Will Avalanche ever get back to $70 or $80? Nobody knows. Do your own homework. But again, these BUSD projects could be a way to make some passive income and not worry that, holy cow, I went to bed and it's 20% down when I woke up. I mean, that's just a terrible feeling to do. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Got a sports channel linked in the bottom if you're into sports. Click over here so you can learn about BUSD crop farmers. I'll do a video. Click over here so you can learn about USDC crop farmers. Both of those pegged to $1. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.